Hey, it's Ruben with bookcleaningjobs.com. And if you want to get more Google reviews for your carpet cleaning business, I'm going to show you how to do that using the Google Maps app on your phone today. So I'm going to record what I'm doing on my screen here so that you can see it as I'm doing it. But all you're going to need is a verified Google business profile for your carpet cleaning business. If you don't have a verified Google business profile already, you're going to need to go and get one of those first. The next thing you're going to need is Google Maps, the app on your phone. And all you're going to need to do is open the Google Maps app, log in with the email address that you use to manage your Google business profile. So it's probably your business email. And then click on your profile in the upper right corner, go over to your business profile. I've got a couple in my account, so I'll just select this one right here. And what you're looking for is this section that says get more reviews. There's a button that says share profile. And if you click on that link, you can actually email, text, Instagram, direct message, Twitter, Facebook. You can send a review request to people pretty much anywhere on your phone. So if you're using an iPhone like I am, they make it very, very simple to share this review form. If I wanted to text this over to my customer, all I would do is type in their phone number. So let's just say that's the customer's phone number. The text message is automatically populated. It says, ABC Carpet Cleaning would love your feedback. Post a review to our profile, and it gives a direct link over to your Google review form so that your customers can leave you a Google review directly from a text message. So if you want to get more reviews for your carpet cleaning business, this is probably the simplest way that you could do it without getting any kind of fancy software involved. Just do it with the Google Maps app on your phone and text the form directly over to your customers and ask them to leave you a review for the great job that you did cleaning their carpets. Again, I'm Ruben with bookcleaningjobs.com. If you found this video helpful at all, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tips about how to grow your carpet cleaning business and how to book more jobs. Have a great day.